You created the perfect Cricut design, and now you need the perfect canvas for it. Let me help you pick out the perfect tee for your Cricut vinyl transfer up next. Hey guys, it's Melissa from ShirtSpace. The foundation for a perfect wearable design is a shirt that looks good and feels great. Let's talk about the best tee for Cricut vinyl transfer. Heat transfer vinyl can work on many types of fabrics, but we think there are two that are superior to all the rest. First, let's touch on 100% polyester. Polyester shrinks less than most other fabrics. This works great for heat transfer vinyl because once you've applied the vinyl to your shirt, you don't want it going anywhere. This includes pulling and shrinking in the wash after the fact, making it less likely to shrink. 100% polyester is a great candidate. The very cool fashion-forward 100% polyester shirt that we recommend is the Threadfast 140A. It's the men's liquid jersey short sleeve t-shirt. It's a 4.2 ounce, making it great and lightweight to wear. It's a retail fit, giving it fashion-forward feel. It's side-seamed, giving it a comfort to wear. It also has a tearaway label, which is always an amazing plus. Okay, let's move on to our second favorite fabric for heat transfer vinyl, cotton poly blends. These tees are great because they provide the softness of cotton and the durability of the polyester. With having both types of fabrics, you get multiple perks and an overall makeup that you'll love. The tee that we recommend most under this umbrella is the Bella Canvas 3001 CVC. It's a 4.2 ounce, 52% heirloom combed and ring spun cotton, 48% polyester, making it very soft and lightweight. It has a retail fit, so it'll give you that fashion-forward feel. It has unisex sizing, so it'll fit multiple different body types. It is also side-seamed, so it has that comfortable constructed feel. It has a tearaway label, because who likes a scratchy tag anyway? And it is also pre-shrunk, so it's less likely to shrink after its first wash. There you have it, the two best tees for Cricut heat transfer vinyl. If you guys have any questions on this video or a video you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm always impressed when someone makes it to the very end of one of our videos. It's really heartwarming. Well, unless you fell asleep, in which case it means you're listening to me in your dreams. That's kind of creepy.